Hey guys, good afternoon. I was just getting ready to make a big salad for lunch, and I was trying to pick what dressing I wanted to put on it, and I picked this one, so I decided to do a little video about it. I love wishbone salad dressings. They're really good. They come in a bunch of different flavors. They are always full of flavor and they never disappoint. And now they're with no artificial flavor, so that's just like all the more reason to like them and purchase their products. This particular dressing is great for marinating. I was just using it on, I made a salad with spinach, cranberries, goat cheese, and pecans, and I was going to put this on top. It really has like the flavor of balsamic and basil. It's really good. I love basil. But it's great for marinating too. This is perfect on top of like fresh mozzarella and tomato slices, and it's good. I've marinated like vegetables, like fresh string beans from the garden with it. It's really good that way. But I'm sure this would be great marinating like chicken and stuff like that as well. I could probably think of some really great recipes with it. This is a 15-ounce, 444 milliliter bottle. It is plastic. It is recyclable. Wishbone's been around for a long time, so they're definitely like a reputable brand and all that. So let's go to the back. So on the back here it says Wishbone, perfect for marinating. Lettuce Rejoice. Balsamic vinegar from Modena, Italy meets fragrant basil in our balsamic and basil vinaigrette. Splendid in salads, marinades, and more. Discover hundreds of bold recipes at wishbone.com. Has a good source of omega-3 ALA and no high fructose corn syrup. It contains 250 milligrams omega-3 ALA per serving, which is 15% of the 1.6 daily value for ALA, which is great because I don't really, like, I think a lot of the places you get omega-3s are from fish, and I don't eat fish, and I know that it's supposed to be really good for you. So I know a lot of people that take omega-3 pills, but yeah, this is a great source of that, so it's nice to know you could get that in a salad dressing. So let's look at the nutrition facts. Nutrition facts: total fat 4 grams. 5% daily value, saturated fat 0.5 grams, 3% daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 2 grams of polyunsaturated fat, monounsaturated fat 1 gram, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 310 milligrams, total carbs 4 grams, fiber 0 grams, total sugars 3 grams, included 2 grams added sugars, 4% daily value, protein 0 grams, and 0% of vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. So in the nutrition facts that I just read to you, a serving size is 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters. There's about 15 servings per container. I tend to go a little heavy on the dressing, especially if it's a dressing that I find really tasty, which really isn't the best thing in the world to do, but I love my salad dressing. I'm gross and I'll like drink it if it's like something that's really tasty, so I probably go a little overboard and do more than 2 tablespoons on my salad. So let's read the ingredients. Water, balsamic vinegar, wine vinegar, concentrated grape must, caramel color, soybean oil, sugar, salt, contains 2% or less of extra virgin olive oil, spices, xanthan gum, garlic, natural flavors, propylene glycol alginate, sodium benzoate, and sorbic acid, and calcium to sodium EDTA used to protect quality. Dried. This is distributed by Pinnacle Foods Group LLC in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, 08003-3620 USA. Questions or comments, please call 1-800-343-9024. You can go to www.wishbone.com, and this product is gluten-free. Here is the barcode. Balsamic and basil vinaigrette. It's nice because it's a little bit thick. You just gotta like shake pretty good before serving, but it's not like those other dressings where like it separates, where the olive oil is like at the top, and if you don't shake it you get all oil. It's not going to be like that. The expiration's here at the top, so it doesn't expire until May 14th, 2019, and then it has like the easy screw off cap, and I like that it has like this top where like it just has the small opening, so you don't have to worry about like if it's just this, if it doesn't have like the small opening. I've accidentally poured like the entire thing on my salad and like ruined it because I put so much dressing on it. But yeah, the top says shake well. I just don't find it as oily as some other dressings on the market, but it's delicious. It has a delicious scent too. It smells delicious. has a great fragrance and perfect to put on your salads and have on the table for the upcoming holidays. I'm sure your guests will love it, and as a marinade for probably stuff you could put on the grill, chicken, vegetables, you name it. If you like balsamic, it'll probably taste good on anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody.